Yo, what's up, guys? This is Gozie Trades. It's your boy, and I'm back. Okay, I'm not really back though. I just created a channel, and this is my first YouTube video. And yeah, I just want to show you guys how my week has been trading the forex markets. This is currently Thursday, October 17th, 2024. Yeah, and I want to show you how the week was because I'm already done for the week. I did not trade today. I traded on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This is Thursday, so I'm already done for the week. Till next week, I go back on the charts. I want to take you guys to the charts, show you how my week was, and believe me, back-to-back winning trades. So let's try to not make this first video that long. So let's open the charts. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's go. Okay, guys. So this is XAUUSD, otherwise known as gold. Alright, so you can see these are two winning trades already, guys. Two winning trades. So the first one, let's go to the first one, guys. Let's go to the first one. Alright, so this first trade was actually a very simple trade, very easy. This was an order block, so let me get out my crosshair. So right here, price started from this area right here and shot all the way up. It shot all the way up, right? And what did he leave for us here? He left our order block, otherwise called a demand zone. And this order block, right, is my point of interest. It's where I was interested in taking a trade from. So I put my rectangle and I set an order. Price came in, tapped me, and went all the way to my take profits. Very clean, very straightforward trade. Take profit was how much? How many pips? Sorry, 1,200 pips. Easy, clean, fast win on gold. So we go to the next trade. This next trade I took yesterday, so I had to hold it overnight for it to reach my full take profits, which I finally did this morning. So though I opened the trade on Wednesday, it hit take profits this morning, and it was a very nice trade. It's the same thing. Market started to buy from here, and what did he leave? He left my order block, he left my demand zone. The market went all the way, leaving liquidity here during these pullbacks. Liquidity and market finally induced. Came very nice sniper entry all the way to take profit. They were just the same 1,200 pips. Yeah, very easy, clean trades, guys. Don't have to overcomplicate things. Keep it simple, keep it easy. So now I'll go to GBP, JPY, pound, Japanese yen. Yeah, so this was the trade I took on pound Japanese yen on Tuesday. This other trade, I didn't take it, right? I didn't take the trade because I'm not trading today. And if you see, I actually avoided this loss. Because what the market do? Market broke, and I would have taken a loss on this trade. But even if I took the loss, I'll still be in profit for the week. But still, me not trading today made me avoid that loss, which is actually pretty nice because this is the first time I'm entering the market today just to make this video. So come to this trade. Alright, the same thing. Okay, let's go a little deeper in this analysis so you can see the market structure, right? Let me bring out my parts tool so you can see what the market is showing me. Bring out my parts so you can see here, market started making moves to the upside. It made a high, it made a lower high, it now made a higher high, as in it broke this previous high right here. So this high is higher, it made a higher high. So obviously we want to continue in this uptrend, right? So I looked for an opportunity to continue in this uptrend, and I took it by using a demand zone or an order block, as we call it. So price came back, still a nice entry, and I took the trade. I didn't hold for long because I saw signs of a weak trend. Sorry. So those signs of a weak trend made me know that okay, this buy or bullish trend isn't strong again. So I decided to just aim for a little, and I came out just 78 pips on GJ, and TP got hit GBP so you can see other block, the candle there. That was my zone, my point of interest before market started to go all the way up. Very nice sniper entry, and those were the three trades I took this week. All wins. Avoided this loss because I wasn't trading today. Avoided this loss. So yeah, it's basically a very clean and nice week, guys. And all I want to say is make sure you join the new Telegram channel, guys. The new Telegram channel that I created, so you can see trades like this. I have the before and the afters of this trade. Make sure you join the Telegram group so you can see trades like this from me. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Let's go. Yeah guys, that is it for the week. 3 trades, 3 wins. We avoided that loss on GBP, JPY, GJ because I said I wasn't trading today. And yeah, till Monday for me. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment if there's anything you don't understand, so in the next video I can go into more detail on that. Like yeah, I just want to try to record and just compare my journey on this YouTube. Yeah, and make sure you follow, or join my free Telegram. Link will be in the description, so you guys can see those trades before I take them. You guys can see those trades before I take them, and you try to make profit from them. Like you can see a few of those trades I took this week, the befores. You can see the befores up here, and you could be part of this trade if you're in the free Telegram I just created. You can be part of this trade. You can take this trade and you can also make real money from them. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.